Che Nkauj Txhawb Zug Sunday ke pehawm.
Good morning. Luciana begin ke begin lo belo shikong oke solutli tanuka vantiplo belo shi chao in tepe halu pathe cha ya go cheng o yesu ta o ha beluning tepe ga cha biblical womanhood. So Hyuna being law on the Shanjapli Tia gay Shito Akinaya. And so this year our Alliance Women and our Alliance Youth have been fellowshipping together on the 4th Sundays of every month. And we've been able to encourage one another, whether it is through testimonies of God's goodness and His faithfulness in our lives. And we've also studied biblical womanhood together. And through all this, we've grown together exponentially, both in understanding the Word as well as in our relationships with one another, bridging the gap, working together hand in hand to plan and prep for our gatherings. There's a word, transcend, and it means to be or to go beyond the range of limits of something. And this is our God. He transcends generations. He transcends languages. He transcends cultures. And it is not by random happenstance that everyone here in this room, we are here at Grace as brothers and sisters in Christ, called to serve and love one another, called to serve and love our community. And it's all because of Christ. John 13:34-35 says, I give you a new command, love each other. You must love each other just as I have loved you. By this, all people will know that you are my disciples, if you have love for one another.